What's up, guys? Today we're checking out the new Animal Company update. And yeah. So grab snack, drink, all that. I don't even know if you're gonna need that. This video can't be that long, or it could be. All right, let's get to the video. So first, so far this looks a little bit like OG map. Like it looks like OG map and yeah, mostly just like a new big map. It's weird, but yeah. Let's get the basic loadout. I've barely anything unlocked because I don't really pay attention to that. Well, yeah. So then, just a pickaxe. Need a pickaxe here. All right. That should be everything we need. Yeah. All right. I'm just gonna go explore the entire map. Yeah. So it looks like over here we could still go into space over there. Wait, this looks like, so this is the lake. Yes. Wait, what's that? What's that? What's this? It's dragons, something. I don't know. I see what it's trying to say. What's this? Oh gosh. That is dark. I'm not gonna go in there right now. It's so dark. They've still got there. I hear bird noises. They added bird noises. It looks mostly like OG map a lot, kinda. It reminds me of it a little bit, but I know this is like a brand new map. Wait, sewers down here again? Yeah, look. Sewers is down here. That's from a while ago. They haven't had that there in a while. Sewers turned into it was under the stump. I don't know, the big tree. I said stump because I was thinking of Gorilla Tag. Canopy Station shopping area. So this is cool. This reminds me of the Schmackle shop. I don't know if it's the old. I'm pretty sure the old Schmackle shop like this. Yeah. This update is good. They brought back They did bring back the T-Rex, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure the T-Rex was here before. Let me put those things to the side. They brought back the German Shepherd. Animal Company, I had an OG Animal Company. Creative Studios is over here. The city. the city has been here before. I just never looked at it. Where's the stage with the soccer place? Did they get rid of that? This new lobby is cool. This new place in general. I don't even know how to play the soccer. You just like, since these are technically your legs. Looks like it. Dang, that's cool. If there's any actual new maps, notify me, in the comments, please. I'm probably gonna actually do some runs. Say bless you in the comments, guys. I just sneezed. Wait. Oh wait, it's a cheat. Yo. There's a cheat. Oh man. Oh, yo, it just landed in there. I think that might be the hard thing about it. Ugh. Yeah. What the heck? Where'd my shirt go? Where'd my shirt go? Yo, I got a soccer shirt. Outfit, no, it's not outfit. Clothing. I just missed it. I'm so blind. The OG shirt. Now we don't spawn from the ceiling. If I remember correctly, I'm pretty sure that you used to also not fall from the ceiling, but if I'm wrong, you guys can correct me. Yeah, that's a lot of it. Wait, hold on, we aren't done. What is this? What is this? Oh, what the heck? What do I do with this? Wait, I saw on the animal company thing, like that thing. It had these things inside of it. It was either animal company video or somebody else's video. I don't know, but oh, I guess that is what it is. I'm so broke. Alright. Next video, I'm probably gonna try to get all of the Dragon Balls. This any other things that you guys want me to explore next video or in 2 videos, maybe, just let me know. I will do those eventually. Give suggestions. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Yeah, see you guys in next video or short. See ya.